Hey guys, I'm Michael from BufferBoys. We specialize in deep cleaning of carpets and upholstery. Today we're deep cleaning and washing, taking carpets for a full wash. Step one, we deep clean properly, remove all the dust, sand and grit on a special flooring that allows the dust to fall through. Once they're completely dust free using the Kirby, then we take them through a full wash, which will be the next step into removing the dirt. Carpets are treated for stains and odor treatments are applied. We then use a scrubber to scrub and agitate all the dirt and all the stains out before we start to do the rinse. So for step 3, we use a centrifugal force, a machine that basically spin dries the carpets. We take the carpets, it has a drain that releases all the water.